Today is our kickoff event for the upfit to our annex. We have worked with our community and raised quite a bit of money so that we can have a state-of-the-art facility for our Signature Academy for Engineering and Advanced Manufacturing. And today's the kickoff to that, and we are ready to start renovations, and it's just so much positive energy going through our building and through our community. So the upfit, so we're going to take a hallway here at Southeast in our annex, and we are going to create different classrooms and collaboration space. We're going to have an industry floor where our machines will be, where kids will be able to learn. We're going to have our 3D printers for where our kids will be able to complete their projects in engineering. But the exciting piece is it's going to be collaborative between the two classes, between our Project Lead the Way Engineering and our Advanced Manufacturing. I'm just really looking forward to seeing our students shine through this new space.
I am extremely excited and really appreciative of this opportunity. It gives a lot of extra opportunities later on. A lot of certificates, experience, helps with training, and will be the groundwork of a good future.
I'm excited. A lot of the tools we had last year, like the 3D printers and all that stuff, we didn't really get to use. We didn't have a ton of space. And I think it'd be a great opportunity to enhance students' engineering capabilities and education, and I think that's something that's really cool.
The programming is a piece to the component, but the big piece of the component are the spaces in which kids are going to be able to learn in, and they need to be state-of-the-art. Currently, right now, they are not state-of-the-art. Our advanced manufacturing is in a, more or less, I call it the shed in the back of, the back part of our property here, and we have our engineering classroom in just a standard classroom where we don't have all the 3D printers and all the pieces in place for our kids to be able to use to really fully utilize their skills and what they are learning inside of these courses. This program definitely links to the Guilford Guarantee, where we can have students earn an industry recognized credential that they'll then be able to take into their job when they leave here. In some of those industries that we're starting to have partnerships with are just down the street from Southeast is Toyota, Honda Jet, and different other manufacturing companies inside of our community. We also know that this really helps students go into apprenticeships. If they walk away with a credential, they can then join NC Fame or our GAP program, and they just have a step forward in the right direction of what their career can look like after they graduate high school.
We got the Toyota plant right down the road, about 10 miles in Liberty. It's going to allow more opportunity for people to go there. It's going to extend people's knowledge about manufacturing ain't all grungy, it's clean and tidy. Late 2024, well no, it'd be 2023, I took this class, and I reached out to a buddy of mine, Robbie Crutchfield with Crutchfield Machine, and asked him for a job in it. And he let me have the job, and I've just worked my way up the ladder, and it's just me and him. It's allowed me to almost fully take over parts of the business.
We're continuing to grow as manufacturing continues to grow here in Guilford County. How can we guarantee students that are in this academy the opportunity to go in to see what different kinds of advanced manufacturing are occurring? Can we go to Honda? Can we go to Toyota? Can we go to the other places that are continuing to grow here in this county? We know that aviation is growing here, so Boom Supersonic and all those other partners that we're going to be able to create. I think we're just I feel like we're just at the beginning, and I'm just so excited to see where it's going to go as we continue to focus on advanced manufacturing and engineering in our county and for our students.